welcome to the 260th edition of the Shuni TV Weekly News Bulletin. I am Vanshika, your anchor for today. As always, we bring you the most inspiring highlights and achievements from our vibrant campus. Let's take a look at the week's top headlines. Shuni tops research impact among post-2008 Indian universities. Shuni agreement with Royal Holloway UK for Global Masters Program. Coaching conversations build bridge between student and staff. Coaching student Ashish Patel completes 100-kilometer ultra trail race in Thailand. We begin with a major achievement that cements Shuni University's position as a research powerhouse. Here's Anushka with the details.
In yet another feature in its cap, Shulin University now leads in research impact among its peers. The institution's Scopus Edge Index has reached 150, the highest of any Indian university, established after 2008. Shulin University's commitment to impactful research has placed it at the forefront in India. With a newly achieved Scopus Edge Index of 150, it now holds the top rank for research influence among universities. Founded since 2008, this achievement underscores the quality and reach of its academic contributions. The university's impressive Scopus Edge Index of 150 confirms its position as the leading Indian institution established after 2008 for research impact. Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla and Vice Chancellor Professor Atul Khosla has congratulated all the researchers of the university for the achievement.
A proud moment indeed. And now from research excellence to a promising international opportunity. Over to Kavya for more.
Shulini University and Royal Holloway University of London have joined hands to create a new one-on-one master's program in business management. This exciting collaboration offers Shulini students a unique opportunity to gain a global education and to prestigious UK degree. Shulini University has taken a significant steps in its global outreaching by signing a memorandum of agreement with Royal Holloway University of London. This partnership introduced 1+1 master's program in business management, allowing Shulini students to complete their first year of study in India and their second year at the renowned UK Institute. This agreement was formalized during a visit to Shulini by Mr. Stephen Thomas for Royal Holloway and coordinated by Shulini Office of International Affairs. This collaboration promises to provide Shulini's management students with invaluable international exposure and a global recognized degree. Admissions for the dual program will be begin soon.
Truly a step toward global learning. Now let's turn to a story that reflects the power of empathy and connection on our campus.
Over 60 students from the ICF Coaching Minor Future Leaders program engaged in powerful coaching conversations with Shulini's housekeeping staff. Again, as a semester end project turned into deeper learning, students saw the staff as mothers, fighters, and dreamers with inspiring stories. The staff shared how meaningful it was to be truly listened to and seen as individuals. While earlier batches focused on coaching, this year's student captured the long-term impact as a part of international plan. This year's cohort moved beyond conversations, documenting the ongoing impact of the unique connection between students and staff. According to Ms. Payal Khanna Jindal, who heads the program.
A beautiful bond that reflects Shulini's value. Finally, we bring you a story of courage and endurance. With a report on Ashish Patel's remarkable athlete feat.
Ashish Patel, a student from Shulini University, has achieved a major milestone by completing his first ever 100-kilometer ultra trail in Thailand. Battling tropical terrain and steep climbs, his story is one of the true courage and determination. Ashish, an undergraduate from the Chitrakoot School of Liberal Arts at Shulini University, completed the grueling Amazon Jungle Thailand 100,000 race, part of the prestigious UTMB circuit. Known for its intense heat, thick jungle trails and nearly 4,640 meters of elevation gain, the race is considered one of Asia's toughest. out of 172 participants, only 73 made it to the final line within the 24-hour cutoff. Ashish, running his first 10,000 and debuting in ultra trail running, clocked in at 22 hours and 26 minutes. At the 51-kilometer mark, a sharp stone injured his toe and a calf muscle, tearing soon followed. But Ashish pressed on. His remarkable effort puts him on the map as one of the Asia's promising young trail runners and a proud representative of Indian grit on the global stage. From injury to triumph, Ashish Patel's stories prove that belief and resilience can take you across any finish line. And for this young trail runner, the journey is only getting started.
A true embodiment of strength and perseverance. And before we wrap up, let's head over to RJ Adarsh with this week's Radio Shulni segment.
Hi, hello, namaste, I'm Adarsh and I'm going to brief you about the shows that you can enjoy on Radio Shulini. Meet and Greet by RJ Palak, Meri Kalam Se by RJ Vani, Fake Mat Yaar by RJ Aditya. So listen to these amazing shows on Radio Shulini. Radio Shulini, Awaaz Wadiyon Ki.
And that brings us to an end of this week's edition. Thank you for joining us for the 260th Shulni TV Weekly News Bulletin. We'll be back next week with more inspiring stories and updates from the campus. Till then, stay safe, stay inspired and namaskar.